Guess what arrived? Solo stove, baby. You know, it's a great fire pit, just the right size and more than worth it. I'm gonna check it all out. So, let's unravel this thing. Oh, man, this is quite exciting. I love a good portable fire pit. That's what we got. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. All right. There it goes. This one's called the Ranger. It's not the big bag, big one. It's a Ranger. There it is. Yeah, baby. I am very much a minimalist. I don't believe you need the biggest of it all. I firmly believe you can do less. You can do more with a whole lot less. I tell you what though, this thing's packed like Fort Knox. Oh, yes. How to use wonderful directions. We will get to those. So everything in this thing is contained. Cover. Need a cover. Oh. The base, the pit. The fire ring keeps it all contained. Back. Oh boy. Goes inside. Ah. Goes inside. Oh yeah. Put it inside. There we go. That's the airflow. It's all about the airflow. I'm very interested in cooking with this thing because it just concentrates the fire and it's clean and it's hot and you want to cook. Of course I want to cook. That's what I do. So, what we have here, I've been dying to put this thing together. This is a griddle steel pan to go on top of this thing. Yep. Oh, I got some more stuff. Man, this is like Christmas in July, man. Oh. This bad boy. All right. There it is. Love that. Exciting. Honestly, I love the packaging. My dog's barking in the background. Ooh. This is cool. Yes. Caution hot. I would agree with that. Got slats to fill in. There we go. That is so awesome. I love it. Well, let's see what we can cook with it. Let's go. You know, don't be a dude. Because I did the dude thing. A little magic ring inside. I was thinking airflow, but I read the directions. Anyway. There. Airflow stand so you don't burn your patio up. That is a good thing. So don't be a dude. Read some directions first so you don't set your stuff on fire. There we go. All right. Now we can begin. Now we can cook.